Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This is a practice video. We will be working with fractions on a line plot. Be sure to watch that lesson video first if you haven't already. There is a link above. Watch the lesson video and then come back, and here you get to practice. You can see the line plot below. It represents hours spent reading, and every X represents one person or one student. I want you to answer the two questions at the top of the screen using the line plot that you can see here. Please pause your video, figure out your answers, take it the time that you need, and then come back and we'll go over it together. How many students read for 1.5 hours? Well, I know that all of these fractions below are how long each group read. Every X there is how many students there are. So how many students read for 1.5 hours? Well, 1.5 hours is right here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer there is just 4. 4 students read for 1.5 hours. That was easy, wasn't it? Well, what about the next question? How much time did they read altogether? And to get that, you have to take the 4 students and multiply by 1.5. That's how much time each student read. Now you could add that 4 times, but it's much easier just to multiply. When we multiply, we need both numbers to be fractions. So we're going to turn this into a fraction, and we're going to turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. So that becomes 3/2. I can put a video above on how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction in case you did not see that one, okay? So go ahead and look at that link if you didn't know what I just did. Now we're going to multiply across. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. And actually 12 divided by 2 equals 6. We've said that before. Every fraction is a division problem. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So all together, those 4 students read for a total of 6 hours. Same line plot, just a different question. Pause the video, work it out, and then come back. Now this question is a little bit different. It said, how much more time did the student who read 1 1/4 hours, so this one right here, I'm going to underline it, read than the students who read 3/4 of an hour? So I want to find the difference, right? I have the one student that read for 1 1/4 hours. How much more did that student read than the students that read for 3/4 of an hour? I'm going to set it up like this. I cannot subtract. So I need to borrow on the 1/4 up here. I do have, or I can just turn this into an improper fraction because there's only a 1 there. So let's do it that way. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So now I have 5/4 minus 3/4. And that comes out to 2/4. And we can simplify 2/4. 2/4, if I divide the top and the bottom both by 2, that's a common factor. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that one student read a half an hour longer than those 3 students. I want you to read the 2 questions. It's very similar to the first one. Pause your video, work it out, and then come back. How many students read for 1 hour and 3/4? So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer to that is 6. How much time did they read altogether? So just like the one we did before, we have 6 students times 1 3/4. Now we need to turn that improper fraction into a fraction, and both of them actually. This is a fraction if we do 6/1. Both of these are going to be improper fractions. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Now I can multiply across. I do not have to have common denominators when I multiply, only when I add and subtract. So 6 times 7 is 42. And then 4 times 1 is 4. Now we're going to divide that and turn it back into a mixed number. We have 42 divided by 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And I have 2 left. I cannot divide that out. I can add another number, another 0, right? Right, like this. Put a 0 here. 4 times 5 is 20, and my answer is 10 and a half. So I can write it like this, 10 and a half, because my decimal point 5 is the same as 1/2. Make sure you go back to the description underneath the video, and there are some worksheets there. These worksheets actually require you to create the line plot and then answer some questions. So a little bit more work to do, but it'll be fun to create that line plot.